Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the surface and initial placement. Clean the area with isopropyl alcohol 70%, 90% and wait until no moisture remains. This removes oils that cause peeling. Once done, partially peel the backing and align the sticker's leading edge exactly where you want it. Make sure to apply from one edge and smooth outward to push air out. This first pass sets the bond and prevents wrinkles, so take a breath and work steadily rather than rushing the placement. You now focus on ensuring full contact and edge protection. Use a soft squeegee or a credit card to press the sticker evenly from center to edges. This enforces adhesion and eliminates trapped air. Then, heat the sticker gently with a hair dryer held 3 to 6 inches away for short bursts. Warmth softens the adhesive and improves bonding. Do not overheat. Finally, trim any overhang and round the corners so edges won't lift when snagged, which extends the sticker's life. You finish by protecting the sticker in daily use and handling problems. Clean gently with mild soap and a soft cloth. Avoid solvents that degrade adhesives. If a corner lifts, press it down firmly and consider an adhesive promoter or clear tape underneath as a temporary fix. Make sure surfaces are dry first. For stubborn peeling, remove and reapply a fresh sticker after cleaning and heating the surface. If nothing works, document the placement and patterns of failure to choose a better material next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.